This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Richard Dooley and Anne-Marie Dooley. This much sought after spoonbill floor plan has a terrific sunset view from the lanai over a lake and the fairway. This 2-bedroom with a den was completely remodeled and upgraded with tile floors throughout, including the lanai. The master bath was completely redone, tile walls, new commodes, vanities, and lighting. The guest bath with a new vanity, tile walls and commode. New light fixtures and ceiling fans, baseboard, and crown molding. New subway tile backsplash for the kitchen. The entry stairway had new hardwood for the risers, new railings, stringers and wainscoting. Offered furnished with newer stylish furniture and appliances with a few exclusions. Spring Run Golf Club is a bundled golf community with 847 residences consisting of single-family homes, villas and condominiums constructed on 200 lush, landscaped acres. The 20,000 square feet Clubhouse was just redesigned by John Sanford, 2023, and boasts a restaurant and lounge which overlooks the golf course, a state-of-the-art exercise facility, a resort-style swimming pool, 4 Har Tru tennis courts and 2 ClayTech bocce courts. A must-see property and community. Agent C remarks, for more information, review the details below or contact Richard Dooley and Anne-Marie Dooley at 239-261-8444 Rich.